Neon city, breathing slow, steel and sin below. She's wired, she's watching. Chrome implants under porcelain skin. Circuits glow where the silk begins. Eyes like lasers, cold and deep. She don't sleep, she makes you weak. Neon rain on a bare spine, data veins, pulse in time. Every step, mechanical grace, ancient lust in a future place. Closer now, feel the heat. Metal heart, dirty beat. Cyber Geisha, neon desire. Wired body, built for fire. Cyber Geisha, dark and slow. Implant shining, lose control. Augmented hips, precision moves. City watches, she approves. Fan unfolds, a blade of light. Cuts the dark, owns the night. Synthetic lips, electric taste, she reads your pulse. Hacks your space, half machine, half taboo. Designed to make you come untrue. Lights go red, bass too loud. No escape in the crowd. Cyber Geisha, neon desire. Wired body, built for fire. Cyber Geisha, touch like code. Skin of metal, overload. No words, just signals. Breathe, sink. Cyber Geisha, city slave, sacred lust in LED flames. Cyber Geisha fades at dawn, but her glitch stays turned on. Neon dies, system sleep. In my head, she still moves. Cyber Geisha.